Hello, I am here today with author Merle R. Saferstein of Living and Leaving My Legacy. Merle, a quick question. What are the main benefits of journaling on a regular basis?
To me, I think the greatest value of journaling is that it becomes my companion and it's cathartic. So very often, if I've got an issue, a problem that I'm trying to work through, my journal is the very first place I go.
It's also a wonderful tool for self-care.
So when things are tough, it's great to be able to sit down and write about that. I often liken journaling to a cluttered house. If we have a cluttered house, when we clean it up, we are so much freer. And I feel the same way. If we have things that are troubling us or something that's concerning in some way, if we get it down on paper, to me, it frees us in a way that nothing else does. So those are some of the greatest benefits of journaling. There are many more. And one of which is just to have a record of your life, which is a really great thing to have. And lots of people only journal when the going's tough. I feel that it's great to be able to journal both positive and negatively.
Thank you, Merle.